So you have picked the right property investment location, you've picked the suburb, fantastic. But that is really only half the battle, because not all streets, pockets, or even corners of the suburbs were created equal, and there can be $100,000 difference in value between two homes just a few blocks apart. And that is not an exaggeration. So welcome to the world of micro location strategy. This is how we get precise. Hello everyone, I'm Kate Hill, and if you are ready to build real wealth through smart, no-nonsense property decisions, you are absolutely in the right place. So let's get on into it. Today we are diving into that micro research, and by the end of it, I hope that you will know exactly how to determine the best streets so that you can make smarter property investment decisions with confidence. It used to be that finding a suburb with great fundamentals, schools, transport, jobs, growth was enough. But in 2026, every suburb has its hero streets and its no-go zones. And if you don't know the difference, then you are flying blind. The right side of the tracks, literally, could mean stronger demand, lower vacancy rates, better resale value further down the track. The wrong pocket can have social housing, noise, pollution, future development headaches. Getting the suburb right is step one. Getting the street right, that is our secret sauce. So what makes a street go from good to great, or from average to avoid? Think school catchments. Highly sought zones can boost values and rents. Walkability, close to shops, cafes, transports, but not too close to noisy main roads. Elevation and aspect. Avoid obviously flood zones or homes with poor drainage. Street presentation. Look for owner-occupier pride and not really patchy lawns and broken fences. That's temporary, of course, right? You're looking at future zoning or council upgrades. Check what is in the pipeline. If you are finding this content helpful, then please do hit subscribe. I share many strategies on my channel and insights to help you grow long-term wealth through smart property investing. So even the best performing suburbs, they have streets that you would never really buy in. So here's how to spot them. Let's say there are too many townhouses or unit blocks within a standalone home area. Large pockets of public housing or high tenant churn, backing onto train lines, industrial zones, busy arterial roads. Areas that look cheap for a reason, often due to local stigma or long-term underperformance. When the price seems too good to be true, then there is usually a reason why, and we're going to help you uncover it. Obviously, at Adviseable, it's what we do day in and day out. Our process goes far beyond Google Maps and realestate.com.au. You need to combine data, local intel, and on-the-ground insights. Suburb heat maps that show historical capital growth down to the street level. Aerial imagery that checks for nearby developments, topography, and street layout. Council overlays for flooding, bushfires, and other zoning risks. Feedback from local property managers and agents who know which pockets perform and which ones don't and why. Recent sales versus asking price so that you can spot value or a massive red flag. It really is a deep dive, but it's how we protect our clients and help them outperform the averages. Precision really pays off, I promise you. When you nail the street as well as the suburb, then you are going to get higher tenant demand and better quality renters. You're going to get stronger capital growth over time. You're going to get lower vacancy rates, fewer management headaches. You will get a higher resale appeal when it is time to sell your property. So the property market is not forgiving of vague strategies. Going micro is honestly how you de-risk and outperform. Anyone can buy a property in a decent suburb, but great investors know that the money is made in the fine print, in the pocket, the precinct, the street. This is the stuff that really never makes the headlines, but changes your result. That is why we do it, and that is the way we do it, and that is why our clients, I like to think, sleep a little bit better at night. So thank you for watching, everyone. If you're still here, if you're serious about building real wealth through smart, well-researched property decisions, then do stick around. There's lots of videos on the channel, and there is a lot here to support your journey. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.